An Iowa woman sexually abused by a doctor when she was a teenager saw him face to face today. KCCI's Bo Bowman was in the courtroom as the doctor faced new accusations. Bo?
Well, Stacy, Sherry Moeller was 13 years old in 1975 when she attended a gymnastics camp at the University of Iowa. Moeller went to Lynn Lindeman to get checked out for some back pain and says Lindeman sexually abused her. He was charged with lascivious acts with a person under 14 and convicted. And today, for the first time in 48 years, Moeller faced Lindeman in a courtroom once again.
And I kept thinking, I'm okay, I'll be fine. But when he sat down and I was in the same room with him, that was bad. That was not good.
Sherry Moeller hopes she would never have to be in a courtroom with Lynn Lindeman ever again. She thought his days of practicing medicine were over after he was convicted for what he did to her. But ever since Moeller found out Lindeman was allowed to continue practicing due to a deferred judgment, she's been on a mission to get his license permanently pulled. Lindeman agreed to temporarily stop practicing back in July after being charged with 2 counts of sexual abuse against a minor. Court documents show Lindeman is accused of abusing an 8-year-old in Ankeny back in June.
And I do not believe for one moment that there have been 2 victims 48 years apart.
This matter is set for a bond review.
Wednesday morning, Lindeman asked District Judge Jeffrey Farrell to lower his $1 million bond to $50,000.
The state has grave concerns.
Prosecutors used Moeller's story to support their argument for keeping bond at $1 million. The judge agreed and denied Lindeman's request.
He does have a criminal history that is very significant in the sense that was also an underage girl who was the victim.
I've been waiting decades for this to happen. I was scared that he would get out, and I guess I'm pleased that the judge saw through his behavior.
One small victory for Moeller, who's using what happened to her to help others.
And now that it does matter and it is being taken seriously, I'm so thankful and grateful.
Lindeman's agreement not to practice medicine is temporary and is in effect while this criminal case is being sorted out. He is scheduled to be arraigned on August 14th and will remain in the Polk County Jail until he posts the $1 million bond. Stacy.